This is the video tutorial about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups by the site tracker6.co.in. Basically, these pop-ups may attack various computers. They may attack both Windows computers, Mac computers, Android devices, or even iOS devices. There may be similar pop-ups like this one. They all tell you that your computer is possibly vulnerable before threats or even infected by some malware, and they try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups by tracker6.co.in, please be very careful. Do not interact with them and stay away from downloading whatever they promote. Just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.